I'm going to show you how to slip a window latch. You're going to need a piece of coat hanger and shape it into this. This is for, grabbing the latch and turning it. The bottom piece is fashioned so you can get a good grip. You're going to need a flathead. You can see that this window is locked. You're going to need 2 butter knives, one straight and then one bent, and a glass of iced tea to enjoy while you're doing this. Okay, let's get started. You're going to want to be close to the latch, so you're going to want enough room to slip in the tool, enough room to turn. So we're going to maybe go about half of 6 inches away. We're going to slip that in. We want the bent part facing, inwards. Slip the straight one in. You got to get it up in there. It's going to give us enough room to slip in there. So let's get up in there. Okay. There's our tool. See, this is what I was talking about when I said enough room. One latch down. It's tight. There you have it.